Hi, my name is Sanjay Poonen. I'm EVP and General Manager of End User Computing at VMware. And today I'm going to talk to you about how we are reimagining what's possible in a very simple elevator pitch, if you would, or a whiteboard of what we're trying to get done in end user computing. It all starts with the way in which we think about business transformation across three fundamental vectors. First off, heterogeneity is at the core of everything that's happening today in the end user landscape. Whether it's a desktop or a tablet or a phone or a Tesla, these are various different operating systems. It's Windows, it's Mac, it's Chromebook, it's iOS, it's Android, it might be QNX. Heterogeneity is part of our life. Consumer-grade experience is what our enterprises seek from us, and often enterprises haven't been good at doing that. That needs to be a key focus. And third, all of this needs to be on top of trusted infrastructure. VMware is uniquely provisioned to do this because all of what we've been doing is about heterogeneity in the data center, now in the device. We stand for security and management of trusted infrastructure. And what we seek to do in mobility is all about bringing consumer-grade experiences to these applications. Very simply put, the magic we think of the next phase of business transformation is bringing consumer simple to enterprise secure on top of this trusted infrastructure. This is what we are uniquely provisioned to do at VMware as a Switzerland type of vendor that doesn't have a specific operating system that we favor. We have an equally strong relationship with all the operating system vendors, all the key devices, and all the different applications in the world, our core proposition. So now let me tell you, very simply, in one slide, how 300 products plus of VMware come together. First off, the data centers typically consist of three core pillars: compute, storage, and networking. And we were the first to drive software-defined in each of those areas. Server virtualization, we were the first there. Software-defined storage, software-defined networking. We believe this virtualized infrastructure can sit either on-premise or in private or public clouds. And we coined the term hybrid cloud computing because we believe many of our VMware customers want a secure, enterprise-class cloud computing platform for any of their private or public cloud needs in a hybrid fashion, so they could seamlessly move between their on-premise and their off-premise infrastructures, all governed with a management and automation layer that makes this simple, Sesame Street simple, so to speak. Now, as you pull this together, we call this the software-defined data center. We were the first to coin that term. You can buy that from us as either a vCloud suite on-premise, or you can deliver it to you as a service in vCloud Air. And we're excited about the innovation. That's the foundation of everything we do at VMware. But this foundation leads to great benefits we can also drive not just in the data center, but on the client side. You think about all the real estate that you've used yesterday and today, desktops and laptops, the real estate of where your end users are going to be spending time today and tomorrow, mobile and machines, the way in which they share data, content collaboration. We have three core pillars there in our end user computing solutions, all tied together with a platform of identity management or single sign-on services that have all the authentication, directory, a variety of capabilities that bring these all together. We call this the software-defined workspace or the workspace suite. End user computing meeting the software-defined data center brings the type of advantages all the way from data center to device. Now, we're not done. What we seek to do now with this portfolio is drive this benefit to any application, because it's all about applications. Whether it's a Windows application, whether it's a web application, HTML, maybe an old browser, or a modern native mobile application, or a Linux application, in any of those application form factors, and in turn, to any device. It could be a Windows device, it could be a Mac, it could be a Chromebook, it could be a Linux desktop, it could be iOS iPads or iPhones or Android phones or QNX operating systems inside cars. We have the breadth and the depth to allow you to take any application to any device in a very consumer simple meets enterprise secure fashion. This is the digital transformation that we are affecting for customers today. We are uniquely provisioned to do that, unlike anybody else because of our Switzerland status. We're best of breed products in every one of these categories, and we're innovating like never before with customers and with partners. We look forward to making you successful with these solutions over the course of time. Thank you very much.